Welcome everyone. I'm Timmy and I am excited that you are part of my Style Innovators community, and I am excited to talk to you about what that all means. So we'll give people a few minutes here to join in, and we can talk about what this is all about. I see we have one person on with us. Wonderful. Welcome. If you're coming on in, please be sure to say hi. Hey, Lori, I hope you're feeling better. Welcome. It's great to have you here. So I am winging this totally. I am usually a very scripted person. When I do events like this, I try to have my thoughts all down on paper. But I really wanted to come to you today live off the cuff because I wanted to share with you what this group, this community is all about, and why I changed it from my VIP customer group for Chalk Couture to this more general group about being a style innovator. And you're probably thinking, what is a style innovator? Am I a style innovator? What exactly does that mean? And is this group something for me? So I see we have a few folks joining in. So please come in and say hi, give me a wave, let me know you're here. Julie, I see you're here with us. Lisa, welcome. So nice of you to pop in and listen in. Style innovators, kind of a fun word, isn't it? When I thought about this community and what it is I was trying to grow, I really wanted to think about what it was that kind of brought us all together. And if you're joining my community now, you'll see that it is all about kind of helping you to define your personal style and celebrating that personal style. Oh, Julie, you're so sweet. Thank you. I feel good. And you know why I feel good? Because I finally figured out kind of where I should be going with my life. And I say that because I had a really awesome purpose and still have a purpose around being a mom. But my kids are grown now, and my life was transitioning and changing. And I know that a lot of my friends that I talk to all say the same thing. We all kind of want to know what's coming next. You know, what's looking forward? You know, what is this now our time to be thinking about what we want to do with our lives? And I think the answer to all those questions really are yes, this is our time. And I really love being with a community of women who want to be confident and want a place where they can get encouragement to kind of live their life and fulfill their dreams. We have been caretakers for a very long time, and probably and still to some extent will always be a bit of a caretaker. Our kids, even if they're grown, still need us, and that's great, but they need us differently. Maybe we have now parents that need our care. So that caretaking aspect of us never really goes away. But all of the skills I feel like that we have learned about being a caretaker really can translate into such an awesome opportunity for us to grow ourselves personally. And so I changed the focus of my group so it isn't just focused on Chalk Couture and my business and selling products and encouraging women to consider the business opportunity. Yes, there will be some of that still, but really it's more about encouraging you and finding a community of like-minded women that you're just going to feel really comfortable with hanging out with. And that's actually one of the big reasons why I named my community here the Style Innovators Comfy Couch, because my style is very comfortable. I tend to like to be able to find spaces that are comfortable and relaxing, not too formal or stuffy. And quite honestly, I am probably the least perfectionist person you'll ever meet. And those are the kinds of people that I think are in this Style Innovators group, that are joining because they want to find a place where they can be comfortable and they can share their ideas and they can get insights on how it is that they can create joy by creating beautiful spaces wherever that is. So I hope that as you are watching and that you are joining in, that you feel at home here in this community, and that you are participating in this community, that it isn't me telling or sharing stuff all the time, but it's us sharing with one another about the challenges that life has, but also the beauty that we have around us all of the time. I love helping other women recognize their potential, and I really want this group to be a place where we can encourage each other, recognize our potential, and give us some ideas about how it is that we can kind of reach for dreams that we didn't even know we had. One of the great things that I have been learning about myself through my journey here is that this is our time. You know, we are in a very wonderful point in our life where we get to make decisions about how we spend our time. And I am learning that the time we have is precious. And we know that. We have friends and family that are struggling with lots of ailments and difficult times, and we want to be there for them, and we are, because that's who we are, right? We're caretakers. That's what we do. But we also need to know that this is an okay time to take care of ourselves and to give ourselves permission to be all that we want to be. And I hope that as a member of this community, you'll feel that you have a comfortable space where you can come and share who you are. Nobody is going to judge you or ask you to be perfect. Probably just the opposite. The only thing I would say is that I really want you to feel positive and uplifted. If there's ever a time in which you're in this community and that does not feel the case, please, please, please tell me, because it is my hope that this is going to be a place where you're just going to feel good and uplifted, and you'll get to share your joy of creating beautiful spaces. And wherever those beautiful spaces are, whether it's in your home or in your yard or even just out in your day, I want to hear about your beautiful spaces. I want to share my beautiful spaces with you. And I want to encourage you to enjoy life and where we are today. So if that all sounds like, yes, I am a style innovator, this feels like a great group to be in, I am so excited you're here, and I hope that together we'll kind of discover our own unique styles, and we'll encourage each other to develop those styles and grow as women and as friends. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about what this was all about. I also just wanted to tell you that I am here and excited to be able to support you in whatever your dreams are. And together, I think we can achieve a whole lot. So I would love it totally if you would take a minute to go live in this page as well, just like I did, and introduce yourself. Say hi. Tell us a little bit about what your passions are, what you're excited to do, what you want to dream about. I would love to hear that, and I would love to get to know each and every one of you. So I hope that you take a minute to send a live video out to this group and tell us all about you. Julie, it's so nice to see you. I'm so glad that you are part of my new community, and I can't wait to reconnect with you. It's one of the greatest gifts that I have been given, is the opportunity to reconnect with some old friends and make new friends as well. So this is a community where hopefully you'll feel safe and can do that. So be sure to go live, say hello, introduce yourself. I can't wait to learn all about you. Take care, everybody. Have a good night. Bye.